Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Gray. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the syllabus for General Chemistry 1 1141. First of all, you can access your own copy of the syllabus in your tracks page for your General Chemistry 1 lab. On the left hand side of the screen you'll see a tab that says syllabus. Click that and that will take you to the place where you can download the syllabus itself. That has all of the detailed information that you need for policies for this semester, but I wanted to hit some of the high points that you'll need to be well aware of. First of all, you need to purchase your own copy of the lab manual. You can do that from 3 locations here in San Marcos. You can get it at the bookstore on campus, Textbook Solutions, or Colloquium. Make sure that you get a new copy of the lab manual because that will be shrink wrapped and have your access code for Cengage Brain, which is our online pre-lab system, which I'll get to in the future. Next up, whenever you go to a lab, you need to be on time. If your lab starts at 11 a.m., you will need to be there no later than 11:10 a.m. So you have a 10-minute time frame in which you can basically show up late. However, if you show up after 10 minutes, so 10 minutes after your lab starts, say if you show up at 11 a.m., you will not be allowed in, you will not be able to participate in the lab that week, and you will be counted absent. You must attend the lab section that you are actually enrolled in, so make sure that you go to the right section on the first week and every subsequent week. Make sure that you know the classroom number as well as the section number. After that, your dress code. You must be in dress code at all times when you're in a chemistry lab. Now, what the dress code in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry at Texas State University consists of is you have to be wearing closed-toed shoes, you have to be wearing pants that go to your ankles, and your ankles must be covered. You also have to be wearing a shirt or some sort of t-shirt or button-up shirt or something that goes to your elbows. It does not have to go, it's not a long sleeve shirt, but you have to have a shirt that gets close to your elbows, so no exposed shoulders or anything like that. Finally, you have to have a pair of goggles, a pair of safety goggles. You can pick up safety goggles at Lowe's, any hardware store, or in the stockroom of the chemistry department. They do sell goggles for $5 a piece, or yeah. After that, every single week, with the exception of the first week, you'll have a pre-lab exercise. The first week there is no pre-lab assignment. Just bring your own copy of the lab, which is available in the resources folder on tracks. The second week, your pre-lab assignment is in your lab notebook. So that means you have to have your lab notebook for the second week's lab. The third week and throughout the rest of the semester, your pre-lab exercise will be on cengagebrain.com, which I'll post another video detailing how to get registered for that and how to access that and everything. In terms of absences and attendance, if you accumulate no more than 2 absences, you are eligible to have 1 lab grade dropped. So that means if you attend every single lab section, your lowest lab grade will be dropped. If you miss 2 lab sections, your lowest lab grade will be dropped. If you miss 3 lab sections, no grades will be dropped. Every single week you have the opportunity to earn 100 points through a pre-lab exercise, which is worth 30 points, and your laboratory kind of experiment is worth 70 points. That 70 points breaks down into 10 points for professionalism, 30 points for your results, and 30 points for your post-lab questions. So every single week you have the chance to earn 100 points. At the end of the semester, we'll have an in-lab final exam. That final exam is worth 200 points. And that will bring the semester to a close. So I just wanted to introduce myself, wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Dr. Holland or myself at cam1141cord@txstate.edu. Thank you very much.